Here are your 3 tips for Chapter 12 of the text for music theory at SPC. Tip 1. Commit SATB placement items to memory: spacing, voice crossing, doubling, and range. When placing notes for 4 voices on a grand staff, it is important to follow the rules explained in the book in order to keep the integrity of 4 separate voices. You want to memorize these rules. The vocal range is the one where you can continually use the book for reference. Tip 2. Tonic and dominant areas refer to function and not strictly Roman numeral analysis. This chapter introduces the concepts of tonic area and dominant area. These are the same terms used for scale degree names, but we are referring to something different now. Tonic area, dominant area, and later we'll learn about predominant area, refer to how a section of music harmonically functions. You will learn which chords tend to contribute to a functional tonic or dominant area, but you will see that the functional area does not always change as fast as the Roman numeral analysis of the specific chords change. So that means that every time you went from a 1 to a 5 to a 1 to a 5 to a 1, you're not always constantly changing from tonic to dominant to tonic to dominant necessarily. Functional areas depends on several factors and is sometimes subjective, creating more than one correct answer as well as a topic for discussion and debate. Tip 3. Learn the 3 cadences PAC, IAC, and HC, and know what distinguishes a PAC from an IAC. These are the first 3 cadence types the book introduces, and we will have more cadences later. The perfect authentic cadence, or PAC, and the imperfect authentic cadence, IAC, both are cadences that move from the 5 chord to the 1 chord. A PAC has both 5 chord and 1 chord in root position, and the soprano voice of the 1 chord must be the tonic scale degree of the key. If any of those criteria are not met, but it still is a cadence that goes from a 5 chord to a 1 chord, then it is categorized as an IAC. Remember, these videos are a supplement to the reading and do not replace the required reading you should do and the engaged thinking you should do throughout the workbook exercises.